Got him. Got him. Oh, he felt way bigger than he is. He's barely hooked too. Get up in here, because I'm not losing you. That's crazy. As soon as I pick the crankbait up, I get bit. Finally, man. It's been a rough morning. I'll take it. I ain't super dinky. Bye. Thanks, man. Got him. Got him. Nice one, too. Oh, my goodness, it's a nice one. This is why you stick with it. Once you turn your head. Oh, he's hooked on the outside of the fucking mouth. Shit. Shit. Oh, do I got you? Oh, baby. Let's go, man. Look at this tank. Another tank on this crankbait. This freaking 6 cents crankbait catches so many giants for me, man. I can make a whole compilation out of that. Honestly. Look at this. This thing I think is pushing 3. Just at 3. Dang. He feels bigger. He's right at 3. Nice. What a freaking toad. Toad of a bass. Hell yeah. There it goes.